Today we gonna make you paint. So we're gonna use chalkboard and water. Interesting. Let's go. The chalkboard is ready already. Now I must get enough chalkboard to make so I throw it there in. And it's enough. You can see it's enough. Throw a little bit of water in, guys. And oh my gosh, it's too much. Let's stop. Can we mix it in with a mixer? So guys, it comes very pretty out, guys, and the color. I think I must add a little bit of chalkboard. Oh my gosh, guys, this thing is very pretty. I like this chalkboard. It's very pretty. Let's make it again. And then we throw it in. And ta-da, guys, I got my chalkboard. I got my paint. Guys, I got white paint, but it's too much auto. So we must throw enough chalkboard in, guys. We're gonna So guys, I got it. Mix it, guys. I like it. My color. Let's see if the paint works. So guys, I think my paint is not ready. Throw a lot of chalkboard in.